This is a Hisense 205 liters fridge freezer. The freezer has a total capacity of 205 liters, with a portion dedicated to refrigeration and the other for freezing. Typically have a sleek and modern design with features such as adjustable shelves, door bins, and crispers for fruits and vegetables. The freezer section typically has a smaller capacity than the refrigerator section but provides ample space for freezing items like meat, frozen vegetables, and ice cream. For $399 only at our Lucky White Goods Adelaide.